want to eat the best breakfast that you ever had, that you can create in 2 minutes minus messes, and if you really try really hard to make this breakfast, and it's just a 1-pan double egg French toast that is cheesy, and if you would like, it would be extra cheesy. And I said 1 pan, not 2 pan and not 3 pan. Also, it would be weird to have 3 pans because I don't know who would love to cook French toast in 3 pans at once. So yeah, and it's been assigned to one person called Assalamualaikum everyone. This is Musa from Sibling World. So today, as you can guess from earlier, we're making a 1-pan French toast that is cheesy, and if you don't like cheese, you can ketchup. So let's just get on with the ingredients. So first we have 1 tablespoon of butter, then we have 1 bread, then we have 2 slices of cheese, and then we have 2 eggs. Let's get on with the steps. So first is get rid of the cheese, just put it over here. Then just slice the bread down the middle as perfect as you can. This is the most perfect that I can do, which is perfect for me. So we'll need this later. So now let's get on with our eggs. So I'm gonna use a fork to just smash it first and then just start mixing. Now it's done. So now I'm just gonna put this aside. So now I'm going to preheat this pan to medium. So I'm just touching the edge of the pan right now to make sure that it's heated enough for my butter to go in, because I'm going to be not only melting it, but also it has to sizzle, like sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. Now the sizzling is good. Now I'm gonna add the eggs. Now it's time to make the French toast. Right here. So now I'm going to flip it. You can hear the sizzle. Like as soon as you hear the sizzle and also the egg is cooked, you should just flip it. And also add cheese immediately. And then you have to flip it again. And then I'm gonna flip it again. So now this is done. I just turned off the heat right now. Now I'm just gonna put this on this table. Now I'm going to use this knife to cut right through the middle to show you how cheesy it is. Just look at this texture. This just looks so good. So now I'm just gonna take a bite out of it. Bismillah wala barakatullah. This thing just melts in your mouth. It just tastes so good. So, if you like this video, please make sure that you like, share with your family and friends, and subscribe, and turn notification bell for more, and also comment if you made this for like breakfast or lunch or dinner, but mostly for breakfast, because this is like the best meal you can ever have for breakfast in literally 2 minutes. I know that this video is not 2 minutes, it's because I did all the explaining like this. So good